Alright, girl. I'm gonna need for you to figure out what's next. Like, we gotta put something under my pits.
I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time.
Okay, so I know you're wondering why I am laying down. Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, my teenage daughter is going to wax my underarms. Slightly nervous. I'm gonna pan in on where she at. Does she look like she know what she doing? Oh God. Alright, so we tried to attempt this video previously and it didn't turn out well. First of all, I think my sound was not working. Wasn't that it? I think, yeah, my sound wasn't working. So it did not turn out the way I want. So I had to de-ax that, and we was ordering different things that she needed to do this to my pits. So we are going to see how this is going to turn out. I just got a little sports bra on. So that, and then we in my filming room, which is a guest bedroom. So it ain't like it's a straight up filming room. I just turned it into that. And, I'm trying to make these lights not as bright. So just give me a second. Let me fix my lights real quick. Okay. So I'm back. So yeah, I had to turn my lights around because I don't know how to work them lights. They're my son's, but I use them. So, just waiting for her to give me the okay. You want to open these and see how these things look? See, last time we didn't use, like, what's this, Gigi? Let's see if y'all can see this. I can't put my hand behind it because I'm holding the phone, but trying to focus in. But this is the cloth. Oh, they're the cloth strips. And then she's gonna put some cornstarch. I think you use baby powder or cornstarch. What I should have did was exfoliated my underarm pit. Now, somebody told me that you can exfoliate it first, and that would help it not hurt as bad. Oh, she's testing it. Look, with the stick. It don't smell that good.
No, it doesn't. I thought it was going to smell better.
Yeah. So, and I told her, she better rip that shit off like grease lightning. I am not playing with her. She think this is a game. This ain't no damn game. I'm straight up serious.
Ooh.
What? You gotta cut those? You don't have to cut those, or do they come apart?
What? This is one strip, Mom. Second.
Oh.
And then...
Hold on, pull that apart. I think I'm fucking up, y'all.
Feels gross.
I don't feel gross. Look, y'all. It's like a cloth. Yeah, they're cloth.
Oh, I was literally reading...
Alright, we ready? Because that look done.
Does this look... Oh, wait, that's the chunk. I don't want to put that.
Okay, don't pick up the chunk. Oh, God. Okay, guys. So, let's see. Let me prepare myself. I think we're going to do... Kiana, you might have to do this side first. So,
You think this is good?
I think it is. It don't look good to you?
I don't know.
You need to blow it a little bit before you throw it under my armpit, bro. Okay, guys, so... I'm afraid. I'm very afraid. Oh, gosh. She's afraid.
I've never done soft wax. We've always done the hard wax.
Alright, y'all. Let me see if I can... It shouldn't matter what kind of wax. Last time she tried to kill me. So, I'm hoping... I hooked it. I touched it. Okay, so... Whew. I'm gonna pull my pants up. I don't need to be seeing. Hold on, I gotta. Oh wait, let me get the towel. Oh, she... What the towel? Damn. Hold on, I gotta fix my camera. It's pointing down.
Ew, look at my finger.
Okay, so.
Oh, gross.
Now she is.
Oh, it's falling on your face. Sorry, Mom.
Mm-hmm. Y'all excuse this. The girl putting powder on my face. So, all right. So,
This is like nerve-wracking.
she talking about this nerve.
It is.
Oh, guys, I don't know if I should be doing that.
Stop it.
Pray for me. All right. So you know you because you don't need a lot, do you?
I don't think so.
All right, so you gotta let it cool or blow it or. Oh, see, no, Kiana, you gonna lose because I'm gonna tell you forget it because you
Okay,
laughing.
Mom.
This is a
You
serious
think this is
matter.
good? That looks good.
Yeah,
Oh God.
you can't determine how hot it is.
No. No. Okay. Before it drips everywhere.
All right,
Hot?
I don't feel it. Come on.
Is it hot?
No, it don't feel too bad. I think it was the first shock of, oh shit, she just put that on me. All right, so, oh God. You rip upward, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, guys. Everybody looking.
Ready?
You see? Go. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Oh, I thought it was going to be way worse than that, guys.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. I thought it was. Okay, guys, let's see my pic.
Oh my God! Look at this.
She did a really good job. This one didn't have as much. Oh my God!
Where you finish that?
It is so much. But
That's
this
so
one didn't
funny.
even have a whole bunch of
No, the
hair.
other side's worse.
Oh yeah, the other side is
Oh,
worse.
do you like it? Is it nice?
Yeah,
Did you do good?
like a baby's ass.
I think you're good.
All right.
Okay.
Is this something else you're supposed to put on my arm after that? No.
I don't have that stuff.
All right, guys. So let me flip over.
Sally's. It was expensive.
See, this is the things. I don't know if these look, y'all. So I've been waiting because that looked like I look like
Years in the making.
complete years in the making.
God.
But I gotta breathe through most of this shit. I told her, one straight pull, don't play with me. Fast like grease lightning.
Okay.
So she know that I'm not fucking playing with her. She like trying new things. I like that. But I don't know if I should be doing that shit for me. Alright, guys. Yeah, y'all see my hair. The minute I lay down, look at that. Shrinkage is real. So, I gotta go rinse this shit. You blew it? Blow it, kinda. Don't be burning my damn pit. Alright, huh?
You said it wasn't hot last night.
No, it wasn't. But, I mean, I don't know how like, cool it get, how fast. You don't even know.
Yeah.
Bet you they teach you that in that class. The one that she ain't go to.
Nope. Me go to class or something? Never. Just kidding. I learn. Ready? Oops. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Kiana!
Your hair is so long, Mom. It's stuck. It's stuck. Your hair is so long. Mom, your hair is so long it got stuck.
Did she do to me?
Because that was not Kiana.
Did y'all see that?
That was not.
Oh my God.
It was so long, Mom. That's so crazy.
Yo, I do like this better than the other way.
Do you?
Yes, way better. So the other way she did was with the wax that you pulled. This one, I like it with the paper. You guys see this?
Sticky.
She did an amazing job. So listen, guys, I am not upset. I'm not upset at all.
Oh my God.
Yes, that's my waxer. I don't think I'm gonna have her doing no Brazilians on my ass though, but she absolutely can do my underarm pits.
Oh my God.
Yes. And then she wants to show me how much hair she took off. So let me see.
That's where it got stuck in your crack, where the most hair was.
Oh God. So yeah. Yeah. Sorry guys. I know it's slightly disgusting. But thank you for checking out my video. Hey guys, comment below if you enjoyed watching this video and seeing this girl hurt me. You know, kids love to hurt their parents. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell. That way you will know every time one of my videos go up. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day.